Here's how you turn every customer, every follower, and fan into a paid salesperson for your brand. We're going to get into this. It's this video that's been on my mind to make, and this is all referenced around building a sales team and affiliates that are eager to sell for you, and basically doing all of this without having to go through an interview process or do something that takes a lot of time. Now, this is how you're going to build your affiliate sales team and stop selling alone, because as a solopreneur, a lot of times we're alone in what we do, and it's hard to figure out how to multiply ourselves for what it is that we want to do and actually scale our business. Because, I mean, let's just be real. Most entrepreneurs burn out because they try and do everything themselves. They create the product, they market the product, and then they try and sell the product alone, right? But here's the truth. The fastest way to scale your income is to get other people selling your product for you. That's exactly what big brands do. I mean, you've heard of Amazon, right? And today I'm going to show you how to set up your own sales team, affiliate ambassadors, even your past customers, so you stop doing 100% of the work and start multiplying your results. Now, I do all of this because of the magic of Stan Store. If you haven't heard of Stan Store, it is definitely something you got to look into. And I started looking into this a couple of months ago. Recently launched this whole thing for myself, and I wanted to share with you how I was able to do all this. So first, you need a Stan Store Pro account. If you're going to do the things I'm talking about with the affiliate stuff, you need the Pro account to do it. Now, it's the simplest way to sell your product, your physical products or your digital products, to promote your coaching, your memberships and services, and most importantly, set up your own affiliate program without any complicated software. So, and yes, it's way easier, because I've done this before, it's way easier and cheaper than most of the tools people are wasting money on right now. Now, I've dropped my affiliate link below, and you can use it and you'll get 2 weeks free on me if you want to go ahead and do that. So here's how to set up your sales team, right? This is what I did. Here's how you build it. Literal steps. First thing you want to do is create a short video explaining your affiliate opportunity. Let people know if you love what I do, you can get paid to share it, right? Set up an application process. Now, I started with a private Facebook group, and I asked qualifying questions. There's only 3 you can ask on a Facebook group, so that's something to think about. So I had very specific questions I asked. Now, you can also do this right inside of a Stan Store by setting up a community and have qualifying questions in there. It works great for that as well. You want to, third, create a welcome video for people who get approved. So they fill out the form, you approve them, then you let them in the group. The first thing that they see should be a welcome video that you can set expectations, welcome them, and let them know how the program works. You have other things in there as far as documents, and you'll figure these things out just how I did as well. And fourth, you want to host a live kickoff call. Now, this helps you get everyone aligned before they start promoting. I think this is extremely important. I literally just got off of a kickoff call with one of my affiliates as well, answering questions, showing them just different things that I have available for them so that they can get kicked off right away. Assign affiliate commissions in Stan. Now this is something right here. How do you assign affiliate commissions inside of your Stan Store? Now, once you have it all set up, as far as your Stan account, in Stan Store, go to your products and turn on the affiliate option. And the way that you do that is this. Okay, so this is in the back end of my Stan Store. Let's just go into one of my products, and we'll do that here. You can see it's very easy to set up. So what you do with that, go over to options, and you hit affiliate share, and you turn it on. There it is right there. Enable affiliate share. Now I have, and this is what's great, you can set your affiliate commission percentage. I'm generous. I have most of mine set at 60%. I pay out 60% commission for all of these things, most of the things that I sell. So it's something that you want to consider doing. Obviously, you set your own prices the way it is that you want to actually set them. So this is what you do. Let me just share my screen again here with you. So inside of Stan, there's a customer tab, right? And so in that customer tab, I just set up Miriam as one of the affiliates. And when you do that, the first thing that you want to do is go into that particular one, and you want to make sure that you add a tag. So you can edit the customer, and I added the tag affiliate to. You see that right there. So now when I go back to my customers, and let's just say she's not or they're not an affiliate, I just want to look up, let's just say affiliate. That's one of the tags. If we go back and we do the tags and we just say affiliate, now what I can do is I can go in and I can grant affiliate access. So I can go in here to all these people that are affiliates, select a product, and go ahead and add them as an affiliate, grant them access. Of course, you got to tick this box, grant affiliate access. They already have affiliate access to this already. So now you can see how easy it is, even if someone has not purchased from you, that you can just add these things in and then make sure that you give them access to each of the products that you want them to be able to have access to. Sounds good, right? It's that simple to be able to set that up. Now, each of the affiliates, you set that tag and you use the tag to search for those affiliates. Now, Stan is going to send them an email with everything they need. They're going to get their affiliate links. They're going to get their dashboard to track their sales, and they're going to pay out their payouts set up, which is usually through Stripe or PayPal. They can set it up whichever one they want, but they're going to get an email. They click on that email and they set everything up with that. It's one of the things that I just talked about on the kickoff call with one of my affiliates literally minutes ago before I started recording this video. You don't have to lift a finger, right? Stan handles the tracking, the payments, all of that. I even set up a fake one for me. Now, to me, this is all straightforward. I had to figure all this stuff out on the back end for myself. It's why I'm creating this video for you right now. But Stan Store does make it super simple for you to be able to do. Now, how are you going to maintain the team, right? I suggest ongoing support. Now, have a monthly team call to share new promos or bonuses, provide marketing materials. I think this is important. Provide them with images, provide them with captions, videos. So it's easy for your affiliates, your sales team to promote. You want to celebrate their wins as well. Motivate them to keep going. I have certain bonuses that I do for the top performers. You can come up with your own as well. So here's the bottom line, right? If you're tired of selling by yourself, it's time to build your affiliate army. And you can do it all in Stan Store. I've done it. You can do it. Now, click the link below to set up your own Stan Store and use my affiliate link that's there to get 2 weeks free. And let's go from solopreneur to marketing and sales machines.